Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Probability. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is, a box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be red, white, not green? So guys, this question is again a very simple and very easy one. So let us see how we can solve this question. Now let us put down the question here. So what is being given? It is being given that a box contains a box contains so what is being given in the question, just we are going to write it down here. So a box contains what? Red marbles is equal to 5 number of red marbles are there in the box, and white marbles, so number of white marbles in the box is 8. Similarly, green marbles. The box contains red, white and green marbles. So number of green marbles in the box is 4. Now total number of marbles in the box. So total number of marbles is equal to, how much it would be? 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 4 is 17. So guys, this is what we got. Now guys, let us think that in case of red marbles, a person getting red marbles or the favorable outcomes for red balls is 5. So we can write this one is one of the favorable outcome. So we will utilize this if at all required. So this is one of the favorable outcome in case of red. In case of white, 8 is the favorable outcome. 8 is the favorable outcome. And in case of green, if the question is asking about green, the favorable outcome for green is 4. And the total number of outcome is 17. This is the total number of outcome. So we will utilize these things as and when required now in our question. Now what is being asked again in the question? Let us look into the question once again. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be red? Now the question is asking us what is the probability number. The first part of the question is the probability that the marble taken out what is the probability that the marble taken out will be red? So first part is about red. Now we know the probability of an event. Here we are considering, just remember guys, here we are considering for red ball or red marble. Here the probability of event is given by number of favorable outcomes, total number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Don't get confused with the number of favorable outcomes with total number of outcomes. These are totally different things. Total number of outcomes. So guys, if you look here, the question is asking about red marbles. If you look here, the favorable outcomes for red marbles is 5. So we can write total number of favorable marbles or total number of favorable outcomes here as 5. So I can write PE is equal to 5 upon 17, because we got the total number of outcomes as 17. This is what we got. So PE is equal to 5 upon 17. This is our one answer. What answer? This is our one answer. The probability that the marble taken out will be red is 5 upon 17. This is one answer. Now let us look into the second part of the question, because there are three parts to this question. Similarly to the second part of the question, the second part of the question says that the probability that the marble drawn will be the probability that the marble drawn or taken out will be what? Will be white. Now the second question is asking about white marble. So again, again putting the same thing, I can write PE is equal to total number of favorable PE is equal to total number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Now guys, here the question is for white marbles. So what we can write? Here the question is for white marbles. Let us look here for the white marbles. So total number of favorable outcomes for white marbles is 8 and the total number of outcomes is 17. So let us consider these things, or I can write here then PE is equal to, so I can write here is PE is equal to 8 upon 17. This is our answer. The probability that the marble taken out will be white is 8 upon 17. This is our answer for the second part of the question. Now let us look into the final part of the question, or the third part of the question. The third part of the question says that the probability that the marble taken out will be not green. So here the question is little bit different. Will be not green. This is slight different question here it came. Will be not green. Now guys, not green means PNE. So we need to find out, not green means we need to find out PNE. But let us first of all find out what is PE. That means the probability that the marble taken out will be green. Let us first of all find out the probability that the marble taken out will be green. From that we can find out the marble taken out will be not green. So PE is total number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. We need to be very careful for this third type of question. Okay, the third, let me tell you once again. Here the third part is asking us the probability that the marble taken out will be not green. But in order to answer not green, so let us first of all find out what is the probability that the marble taken out is green. So for that reason I have written probability of event, that is total number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Or I can write PE is equal to, guys, we are finding out what is the probability that the marble taken out is green first. So now number of favorable outcomes for the case of green, let us look here once again. So number of outcomes, favorable outcomes for green is 4 and total outcomes is 7. That means 4 upon 17. PE is 4 upon 17. So what we are getting? PE is 4 upon 17. But guys, this is not our answer. The question is asking us to find out the probability that the marble taken out will be not green. So how to find out? We know that we need to find out PNE. We know that, what we know? We know that PE plus PNE is equal to 1. We know this. Or I can write PNE, probability of not an event or not green, is equal to 1 minus PE. or I can write probability of not an event or not green is equal to 1 minus 4 upon 17, because we got PE as 4 upon 17. So let us solve this. Or I can write PNE is equal to 17 minus 4 upon 17, or I can write PNE is equal to 17 minus 4 is 13 upon 17. So what we got? We got 13 upon 17. So this is our answer, guys. So probability that this is our answer. This 13 upon 17 is the answer. This is the probability that the marble taken out is not, this is the probability that the marble taken out is not green. Hope guys you understood the way that I try to find out the given questions answers or solutions. But still, if you have any question or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.